Hi, today I'm part of Cat S75 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the sound section. So you will see here the media call, ring and notification and alarm volume panels. So just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side this uh, dots on each of the volume panels. If you want to activate or turn off the don't disturb mode, you should turn it on or turn it off by tap on this button to allow the messages, notifications or calls from any people, apps or alarms, to set the schedule, to start the end time, and to change the duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications. Let's go back here. You could change the phone ringtone. Also, you could expel the speakers from the water with the help of this option. To pin the media player or show the media recommendations with a click on each of the swatches here. So to activate vibration for calls, never, always, or vibrate first and ring gradually. To activate and turn off the shortcuts for current ringing, to change default alarm and notification sound, to activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds, and vibration touch sounds, and touch vibration options. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, you should use the switchers, and in sound and attachment we should also activate or turn off the hi-fi mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.